The M1 Abrams, or M1 Abrams in Russian, is one of the most iconic and formidable main battle tanks ever developed. Designed and built in the United States, it has become the backbone of American armored forces since its introduction in the early 1980s. Over the decades, it has undergone numerous upgrades, improving its firepower, protection, mobility, and digital systems to maintain its edge on the modern battlefield. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into what makes the M1 Abrams such a powerful force and why it has earned the nickname, the monster of the battlefield. At its core, the M1 Abrams was designed with three primary elements in mind: firepower, protection, and mobility. Let's start with firepower. The tank is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore cannon, originally designed by Rheinmetall and later produced in the US under license. This main gun can fire a variety of ammunition types, including high-explosive anti-tank rounds and armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot rounds, or APFSDS, which are essentially kinetic energy penetrators capable of slicing through enemy armor with devastating effectiveness. In addition to the main gun, the M1 Abrams features a suite of secondary armaments, including a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun, another 7.62mm machine gun mounted near the loader's hatch, and 8.50 caliber machine gun operated by the commander. These secondary weapons provide excellent close-in defense against infantry, light vehicles, and low-flying aircraft. Now, protection. The M1 Abrams was one of the first tanks to be equipped with composite armor, specifically Chobham armor. This layered ceramic and steel armor system provides exceptional defense against both kinetic energy projectiles and shaped charge warheads. Later variants of the Abrams, like the M1A2 SEPV3, even include depleted uranium layers in the armor, making it nearly impervious to most modern anti-tank munitions. Crew survivability is another area where the Abrams excels. The tank is equipped with blowout panels in the ammunition storage compartments. In the event of a hit, these panels vent the explosion outward, away from the crew compartment, reducing the chance of catastrophic loss. Additionally, the interior is lined with spall liners and reinforced to minimize internal fragmentation. Mobility is the third key component of the Abrams' design philosophy. Despite its massive weight, tipping the scales at around 60 tons, the M1 is remarkably agile. This is thanks to its powerful 1,500 horsepower gas turbine engine, the Honeywell AGT 1500. While it burns through fuel at a high rate, this engine provides the tank with an incredible power-to-weight ratio, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 42 miles per hour, around 67 kilometers per hour, on roads and about 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour, off-road. The suspension system is also highly advanced, allowing the tank to traverse rough terrain with surprising stability and comfort for the crew inside. But the M1 Abrams isn't just about raw physical capabilities, it's also a highly digitalized and networked platform. The M1A2 variants come with advanced fire control systems, thermal imaging, laser rangefinders, and target tracking capabilities. This allows the crew to identify, engage, and destroy targets with deadly accuracy, even while on the move and in poor visibility conditions. The commander's independent thermal viewer gives the tank hunter-killer capabilities, meaning the commander can identify and designate new targets while the gunner is still engaging the current one. This system significantly reduces reaction times and increases battlefield effectiveness. Communications and networking are another strong suit. The Abrams is integrated into the U.S. Army's digital battlefield network, allowing it to share target data, location, and mission updates in real time with other units and command structures. This gives commanders a better picture of the battlefield and allows for faster, more coordinated operations. Let's talk variants for a moment. The original M1 model was followed by the M1A1, which introduced the 120mm cannon and improved armor. Then came the M1A2, which added the commander's independent thermal viewer, an improved fire control system, and enhanced electronics. More recent variants like the M1A2 SEPV2 and SEPV3 brought even more advancements, such as improved power distribution, upgraded communication systems, and better IED protection. The SEPV3 version, in particular, features enhanced armor, improved energy efficiency, and an upgraded auxiliary power unit, or APU, to reduce fuel consumption while stationary. And it doesn't stop there. The next generation SEPV-4 is under development and expected to bring even more improvements in sensor systems, lethality, and situational awareness. The fact that the Abrams remains in production and constantly updated shows the confidence the U.S. military has in the platform's adaptability and relevance. Let's also look at combat history. The M1 Abrams has proven its worth in numerous conflicts, including the Gulf War, the Iraq War, and the war in Afghanistan. In Operation Desert Storm, the Abrams demonstrated overwhelming superiority against Iraqi armor, which largely consisted of older Soviet-era tanks. Its superior range, accuracy, and protection allowed it to destroy enemy vehicles before they could even get close enough to pose a threat. In Iraq and Afghanistan, the Abrams faced a different kind of warfare: urban environments, insurgents, and IEDs. While not originally designed for this kind of combat, the Abrams adapted through upgrades like the Tank Urban Survival Kit, or TUSK. This package included reactive armor, remote-controlled weapon stations, and enhanced visibility tools, making the tank more effective in asymmetric warfare. Despite its strengths, the Abrams is not without limitations. Its gas turbine engine, while powerful, is extremely thirsty. The logistical tail required to keep Abrams units supplied with fuel is massive. Additionally, its weight makes it difficult to deploy quickly via air and restricts the number of bridges and roads it can safely traverse in some parts of the world. This is a trade-off for the incredible protection and firepower the tank provides. Another challenge is the changing nature of warfare. With the rise of drones, loitering munitions, and next-generation anti-tank missiles, even the Abrams must adapt to new threats. However, ongoing modernization efforts aim to address these risks through active protection systems like Trophy, which intercept incoming threats before they can hit the tank. Globally, the M1 Abrams has been exported to several allied nations, including Egypt, Australia, Saudi Arabia, and more recently, Poland and Ukraine. Each country often receives customized versions suited to their specific needs and battlefield requirements. Its popularity on the global arms market is a testament to its reputation and performance. To sum it up, the M1 Abrams is more than just a tank, it's a battlefield legend. It represents decades of military engineering, combat experience, and innovation. It continues to evolve, facing new threats and adapting to new missions. Whether it's rolling across the deserts of the Middle East or preparing for high-intensity conflict in Europe or the Pacific, the Abrams is built to dominate. It's a symbol of American military power and a reminder that sometimes, the monsters on the battlefield wear armor, not flesh.